Are you ready?
No,
But why?
I don't know, but I trying to do eye makeup.
That's it. You can see in YouTube.
Haha, I know that. But no video is showing for beginners, yeah.
Oh, don't you know the YouTube channel Get Glam by Sarvani? She explained eye makeup tutorial for beginners in step-by-step procedure. Go and check it out. You can ace it if you watch that video.
Okay, I will watch and call you. Okay, bye. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Get Glam by Sarvani. How are you all? If you are new here, please don't hesitate to subscribe and press the bell icon to not miss an update from my channel. Many of the viewers has asked me about the eye makeup for the beginners. So today I am here to show you the step-by-step eye makeup. If you follow these steps, your eye makeup can look like a bomb and you can ace this like a pro. So watch this video till the end and I am giving more tips and tricks for your eye makeup. So don't miss the video. I have done my base makeup so that I can show you the eye makeup on my face. So without any further ado, let us jump into the video. Here I am taking an eye base of MAC paint pot in the shade Soft Ochre. It can be used for the eyeshadows to stick to eyelids. If you don't have any base, you can also use your foundation or concealer on your lids. Please apply minimal content so as to control the visibility of wrinkles and creases. Then I am setting the base with the dampened sponge. Now repeating the same on my left eye too. Then I am taking my compact powder to apply on my crease. Today I am using NYX Neutral Palette. Palette has variety of shades to create nice neutral look which goes on any outfits or the occasions. Here I am using only one fluffy brush for a whole eye makeup. Let us see about the crease. The halo part between the eyeball and the bone is where the crease appears. Now the transition shade should be applied on the crease. Now I am taking a light brown shade for my transition shade. Now I am applying on the crease. Before starting, please ensure that your eyes have no creases. Then I am going in circular motion with less pressure as we have to hold the brush lightly. Whenever you are picking up the color, please dust off the excess. Now I started blending the crease shade. The blending plays a crucial role in the eye makeup, so please be patient. The brush should be held neither too near nor too far. Please watch the blending technique carefully. Here I am using two methods of blending in my eye makeup. One is rotating method and another one is wind wiping method. I am applying the same transition shade on my left eye too. Go too close to the inner part of your eyes. Blending of eye makeup should be so gentle and not too harsh on your eyes. I am getting to another shade of color in the same family but darker than the previous one and start dabbing off the excess product. Started tapping the product on my outer corners of my eye in the shape of V. Now I started blending the shade towards the previous shade. It will create the open eye effect and your eyes look bigger than usual. Don't stop blending until your harsh lines are invisible. The color should not cross the outer corners of your eye and the ending of the eyebrow. You can see the difference between two eyes. The right eye looks bigger than the left eye. Now I am taking the same shade on my left eye too, on the outer corners of my eyes. The eye makeup can be a bit tacky for the one who has hooded eyes, so you have to practice more than usual. It might look tough, but trust me, if you practice more, the eye makeup is the most easiest part on your face. But you have to be patient for the purpose of blending until that harsh line disappears. Now have a closer look of my blending. Then going for the third color, you can take any shimmery or satin shade as per your interest. Here I am taking a shimmery shade with my fingers. You can also use a flat brush, but the pigment can be more when applied with fingers. The application should be started from the middle of your eyelid towards the inner corner of your eyes. As an alternative for the third shade, you can also take the white color or off-white color for applying on the middle of the eyelid towards the inner corner of your eyes. But I am repeating the same step like as right eye. Now again take the transition shade and start blending so as to avoid the harsh lines. You should be easy hand to blend the satin shade with the previous matte shades. Blending process is not perfect, the eye makeup looks patchy. But don't blend too much as it may disturb the satin shade. In order to get the full eye effect, take the darker shade we used in the outer corner and stamp it on the lower lash line. It should be connected to the upper eyeshadow. Here, don't drag the brush, just stamp the product on your lower lash line. You can see it makes a huge difference when the same eyeshadow shades are applied on the lower lash line too. The right eye of mine looks more bigger and open than my left eye. Now I am following the same process on my left eye too. Now I am taking the previous crease shade and stamping it just below the darker shade as it looks like a gradient effect. Then I am connecting it with outer V. After completing, you can also use an eyeliner. Here I am curling my lashes. Now I am applying Maybelline Colossal Mascara on my lashes. As you know, I am a cold person, so here I am using Lakme Iconic Kajal on my waterline. As a tip, don't apply kajal on your inner corners of your eyes as it may smudge when it contacted with the water of your eyes. And don't forget to tightline the upper lash line also. Now I am filling my brows with Elegel Brow Kit. Now I'm taking the golden shimmery shade from the same palette as my highlighting shade to highlight my brow bone. And don't forget to highlight the inner corners of your eyes to make your eyes look bigger. So here I completed my eye look. You can match your lipstick with your eye makeup. Hope you like this. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up and share to your friends. And don't forget to subscribe Get Glam by Sarvani, and don't forget to press the bell icon to not miss an update from my channel. Also don't forget to follow my Instagram page Get Glam by Sarvani. If you missed my previous videos, please watch it on YouTube channel Get Glam by Sarvani. Until then, take care. I am signing off. Bye.